Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Would you like to read the best books for startups? Then, this video is for you. Today we share with you 5 great books for startups to read. Let's dive in. Book number 1. Start with Why, by Simon Sinek. This book will help every startup and entrepreneur to get clear on their project and why they want to do it. Write down your why, the purpose, the cause of what you are doing. It will allow you to make better decisions and it is key to your long-term success. Know that people follow leaders with a strong why. Book number 2. 0 to 1, by Peter Thiel. This book is a must for every entrepreneur who is serious in launching a startup. In order to go from 0 to 1, you need to create something new and innovative that wasn't there before. Focus on product, not sales. If your product requires advertising or salespeople to sell it, it's not good enough. Book number 3. Lean Startup, by Eric Ries. Show every entrepreneur how to use continuous innovation to create radically successful businesses, showing you how new products are launched. Take this 3 steps to build a lean startup. Find the business idea. Execute the business idea, have a minimum viable product to launch, and validate the business idea. Book number 4. The Hard Thing About Hard Things, by Ben Horowitz. One of Silicon Valley's most respected and experienced entrepreneurs, offers essential advice on building and running a startup, practical wisdom for managing the toughest problems business school doesn't cover. Tell things like it is, keep a clear head, embrace the struggle and take care of people, products and profits, in that order. Book number 5. Founders at Work, Stories of Startups' Early Days, by Jessica Livingston. This book offers both wisdom and engaging insights straight from the most successful startups. Collection of interviews with founders of famous technology companies about what happened in the very earliest days. This will help you build your startup and avoid mistakes made by other entrepreneurs. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other books for startups? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our book's recommendations and tips. Click on this video to see books every entrepreneur should read. See you.